Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create ruffled shirt and dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this shirt and you're going to toggle it to classic and go to pattern and you're going to apply this pattern. The next one, you're going to wear this corset and apply the same pattern to all selection except the ribbon. Okay, for the ribbon, I'm going to color it white. Okay, just color it white for the ribbon. And then I'm going to go to the top area right here and wear this top and apply the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and wear this item. Okay, then apply the same pattern, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create ruffled shirt and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.